What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get an Argentina Steam account. So first off, you need to head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar just type in Steam or you can type store.steampower.com. After typing, you will be redirected to the official website of Steam wherein on the right side you will see the option to install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. But before that, if you are new to Steam, just simply sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. And after that, you can click on install Steam and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, minimize the application and go to any of the VPN that you use, and after going to the VPN, choose Argentina. And after that, when the VPN has been connected to Argentina, come back to Steam. And then the Steam will understand, like, the Steam will think that you are browsing from Argentina. And after that, you just need to go to the store and then you will see all the Argentinian games wherein you can find and select and play all the Argentinian that you want. So this is how you can get an Argentina Steam game account. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.